So hi, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll teach you how to create an invoice that is professional from scratch using Excel files. So without wasting time, let us start. So once you launch your Excel file, you go down here and rename it and write there invoice. Then once done, the next thing is you go to the the view here up here, then click on the page layout. So it will look like that. Now the next thing that we do is we can match these cells and write here our company logo like this. Go back to that, then match, then write there company logo. Then you can also match these cells and write their invoice, these ones, and write their invoice, match, write their invoice in capital letter. You can as well bold your company logo like that and increase the font size, let's say to around 16. The invoice, you can also bold it and then increase your size to 16. Then down here, you can write your company name. You just put, let me put the parentheses like this. Then you can write your company name. Like that. Then down here, you can write your, then the next thing that you can do down here is you can write your city or your streets, your street address like this. And then or you can also do a PO box down there like that. Then followed by your phone number. You can write your phone number here as either the way you want to write or the email. Then the next thing that you have to do is, now after writing your phone number here, well, let me just put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 based on your phone number. Then or you can also do the other information, like for example the email or the fax. You can also put it here like this, uh, depending on the phone number that you have. Then the next thing you have to write down here is bill to. uh, then you can followed by the customer's name, or the company name, then followed by the city of your company, or the street address, street address like that. Or it can also be a PO box like that, then followed by the phone number, so it can be the way you want it to look like, or fax. Put your information there. Then you can go back here and select this, you bold it. Then you go to the borders. You will put the borders at the bottom border like that. Then you will increase the size, increase the font size like that. Then you bold like that. Then the next thing that you will do is you will go here where there's somewhere here, then write there invoice number. Then down here you will write the dates. Then next you will write the due dates. Then the next thing that you will do is you bold your invoice here. You can bold them like this. These two, bold them. Then you can write your invoice number here the way you want it to look like. Let's say, for example, 01. Then the dates of today will be like 01. Then something like June 2025, like that. Then the due dates you write there, like for example, 30th on June. That is 2025, something like that. Now,
We'll add here
the
main
next
head.
thing that we will do is now the next thing that you do is you come to this section, and now in this section we will add the information. Let's say, for example, you have the product number. You will have to write there the product. Okay, products. The next will be description. Then after description, it will be the next will be a quantity. Then after quantity, write it well, quantity, like that. Then the next thing will be the unit price. Then the lastly will be totals, be total. Then you can select this section and give it the color that you like this, or you can give it a light one, like that. Then the next thing that you then we can bold it. You can select the whole headings up here, then you can bold them like that, and you can also increase the font size to around 16, or let's say 14. Then after this you can select the whole area now and add borders. Go to add all borders, go to okay, this section, insert where is it, view. Then you'll go to add all borders here, go there, click on it, go to add all borders. So you have selected the whole area. Make sure you have merged your product description, the cells, this one, you merge them. Then you will match them using the match across. Then you go to also make sure you have all borders added to your table like that. Then the next thing that you will do is you will go and select the whole table again the way it is without the headings. Then go to conditioning, formatting, conditional formatting. Then go to the new rule. Then you select the last. You use this one to create any color that you want your table to display. So just follow the same process. Then you close, equal to 0. Then you go to formatting, can pick this and OK, then click OK. Come back, you can see your table now looks more beautiful. Now the next thing that we are going to do is down here to add the subtotal. Then the next thing that we will do is we will add VAT, or the VAT, which is 5%. Then the next thing is the discount, which is 10%. Discount 10%. Then we go to the grand total, like that. Then make sure you add the borders on this, the bottom borders. Go here, then bottom borders, with it here, same to this. Go to that, add the bottom borders like that. can just highlight them like that, go there, bottom borders like that, the same to this. Then now after we are done with this, we go to the next. Now the next thing that you can do is you can also bold these ones to make sure they are well bold, and you can also increase the font size the way you want it, like let's say 14. Just take it back to around 12. Then down here you can write there the uh, terms and conditions, terms and conditions, sorry, conditions. Then you can write the terms and conditions that you want for your company down here. So you can also come here and write there something like make sure can match the cells. Like for example, after payments after 30 days, after 30 days. Then down here you can write there you can merge this, you can merge the cells like this, you can merge them. I just bold this first of all, then yes, bold, then make them italics like this. Then down here you can merge these cells like that, then type there prepared by, prepared by. Then the next thing, you can also merge these cells and then right there created by. Then you can also merge this, then right there received by. Then you can resize them. You can either set them, align them the way you want, centered or justified. Let me use justified, okay. Then you can bold them, can italics, something like that. So this one, we write by. Like that. So it is prepared very well. Then the next thing that I want us to do is to add some product data to our invoice up here. So let's say, for example, we have something like the first item, then product one will be product one, and then the second one, the third one. Let's work with the second and the third one, product. Okay, sorry, products. That will be product two. So the quantity, let's say we have 10. Then here the price, let's say we have 500. The next one, we can use something like 15 and 800. This one 15. Then we have 800. So then we will type in the formula to calculate the totals of our products. So that one is very easy, and let me show you how you do that. So we will use this simple formula here, just equal to, we have units, then multiply, which is this, the quantities, then we click enter. So then we can go back here and drag it down to get the totals for now, to drag it put here, not there, go back here, put your styles here, and then drag it down like that. Then you can see the items that I've calculated here, but others have zeros on them. So instead of using this simple formula to calculate this and we get these zeros that we don't want, we can use an if statement where we go back, then say if in brackets quantity is greater than 0, then multiply price with quantity, then else write nothing, then you click enter, then you receive your value here, then you can click and drop down the last bit, so you find out that the zeros has gone away and you have only calculated that section that we want to appear in your invoice. Now the next thing that we'll do, calculate the subtotal. We'll go here, then we'll use the alt equal sign, and we get the subtotal. Pivot, we will go there, then equal to, then we will multiply our subtotal times the 5%, 5%, like that, then click enter. Then the discount, we will click equal, click on the subtotal, multiply by 10%, like that, then click enter. For the grand total, we will click on equal to, take this plus b plus the VAT, then minus the discount, then you click enter, then we have our grand total. So that is it. You can also write here anything. You can merge this cell, then write there anything that you want to write. Like for example, you can say thank you, thanks for your business, something like that. Then to test if our formulas are working, we can just to go back up here, then add more products, like for example 3, product 2, product 3. To see if they are working, can just type their product, and then the quantity, let's say we have something like 10. Then the unit price, we can say we have something like 50. Then you can see it is working. You can also add more to see if your formulas are working correctly. After this, we can look at how it is looking like. We can go to print, you can go to file up here, then print, then you can look at it the way it is looking, and it looks very beautiful. So you can change anything or you can edit anything on your invoice before you continue to your last stage. And that is how you can create your invoice so easily, starting from the beginning, putting in the formulas and calculating everything that you need. And that is how you can easily calculate and also write your invoice in Excel easily. So if you found this more helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you share it to your friends so that I can create more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thank you.